Okay, so what's the value of x? There's something going on here, which is that this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, we have two equal side lengths, and I'm going to just rotate this thing. Okay, if we rotate this like this, you can see how we've got these two. The isosceles triangle kind of maybe hopefully appears a little bit easier to you, and you can see that when you have these two sides that are congruent, we have their opposite base angles, this angle and this angle, as also congruent, right? They're also equal. And so I'm going to rotate this thing backwards and say, this is what we're dealing with right here. Okay, we've got these two angles congruent. And what that means is if this angle D is equal to x degrees, then we can say the same thing up here, x degrees up here. Okay, so now what we've got is two x's, right? This right here plus this here is two x's, plus 93.5 degrees equals the total number of degrees 180 in the triangle. So now we can just say, okay, that means then if we subtracted 93.5 from both sides, okay, then we get 2x is equal to 86.5 degrees. I did that in my head. You might need a calculator, I don't know. And then if that's true, then 2x divided by 2 equals 86.5 divided by 2. And doing that, you get 43.25 degrees. That's how you think about it. And I just want to click on the study guide here and make sure, verify my answer for number 29. Just one moment. But anyway, that's how you have to think about it. Whenever you see two sides congruent, then their opposite angles are also congruent. And yeah, that study guide verifies what we said. That the answer is 43.25.